Mass increases with speed because photon energy is continuously transforming potential energy into the kinetic energy of matter in the form of electrons. At low speed, kinetic energy is 1/2 the mass times the velocity squared, but at higher speed, the curve for increasing energy starts to look just like the curve for increasing mass. This is why energy is equal to mass times the speed of light squared. Kinetic energy is the energy of motion, of what is actually happening. Energy and momentum are conserved as the future unfolds with each photon-electron oscillation or vibration. In this theory, there is a photon-electron interaction between each cause and effect, between each action and reaction. Light and matter, in the form of electrons, are waves over a period of time, with particle characteristics, as a probabilistic, uncertain future unfolds. Wave-particle duality is forming a blank canvas that we, as atoms, can interact with, forming a future relative to the energy and momentum of our actions.